Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to archive a chat on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest update, managing your chats has become even more efficient, and archiving is a great way to keep your chat list clutter-free while retaining access to important conversations. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer by visiting web.whatsapp.com in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone if necessary. Once logged in, you'll see your chat list displayed on the screen. Next, locate the chat you want to archive. This could be a conversation with a friend, a work-related group chat, or any other thread that you'd like to move out of your main chat list for better organization. Click on the chat to enter it. Now comes the key step. To archive the chat, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly moves the selected chat into the archive section of WhatsApp web. You won't see it in your main chat list anymore, but don't worry, it's not deleted. You can always access archived chats whenever needed. To find your archived chats later, scroll to the bottom of your chat list and click on the Archived section. Here, you'll see all the conversations you've archived neatly stored away. And that's it. Archiving chats on WhatsApp web is quick and hassle-free, helping you stay organized while keeping important messages accessible. Try it out today and enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined messaging experience. Thank you for tuning in. Happy chatting.